Hey everyone, I'm Kavita and welcome back to my channel Sparkle Kavi. Today I'm going to show you how to do one of the basic hand stitch, that is invisible stitch. This stitch is also called as a slip stitch, ladder stitch, or even blind. So the purpose of this stitch is to join the two pieces together where the machine can't reach, or the regions where you don't want to see the stitch on top. So in that cases you can stitch this invisible stitch, like for example to close the opening of pillowcase, or to close the lining of any bag, or stitch small soft toys, or just to add binding to the quilt. It's a very easy stitch but very important stitch, and you use this stitch very often. So friends, let's see how to do this stitch.
Take matching thread with project as close as possible, then cut the thread approximately double the length of opening that you want to close. Pick both the loose ends of thread and insert it through the eye of needle. Damp your finger and gently rub the ends of thread, and you will get the thread easily through the needle eye. Take a general purpose needle with sharp point and fine body. Once you threaded the needle, you will have this loop at the end of the thread, and as it's double thread, it is extra strong. I am using this bag to show you how to do the invisible stitch to close this opening on the flap. Whenever you want to close any opening, always iron it or finger press so that it will create a fold on fabric which will act as a guideline for our stitch. Insert the needle on one of the ironed edge. Pick few threads of fabric, then bring the needle through the loop at the end of thread and pull thread. Sometimes you have to work on the areas where there is no scope to hide the end knots. So threading the needle in this way helps you in those situations. Now to make first stitch, go to the opposite side and slide the needle through the top of the fold and grab little bit of fabric. Now go directly across to the other side, slide the needle and again pick some fabric. Repeat this process for few more stitches. Most important thing to remember here is that whenever you go from one side to another, always go straight across so that the thread is perpendicular, that is at 90 degrees to the fold. Now looking at the process, you will self-understand why this stitch is called ladder stitch, right? Instead of pulling thread after each stitch, make few stitches and then pull the thread tight, and you will see the magic. The stitches will disappear, and that's the reason it's called invisible stitch. You can hardly see any stitches or can tell that there was an opening right here. Continue the process until you reach the end of opening. Once you reach to the end, pick some thread from the fabric and bring the needle through the loop to make a knot, and through the same point repeat the same process to make 2-3 knots for extra security, and then cut the thread close. Like this, the stitch is complete and it's totally invisible. So friends, I tried to make this tutorial as simple as possible. Still, if you have any queries, then write me in the comment. Thank you for watching today's video, and most important, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Bye bye.